Hi guys, let's start with C++ programming language. So C++ is a object-oriented programming language, and in today's video we'll see how to print hello world statement in C++. So let's start. So first we have to include the header file. So hash include, the meaning of hash include is we have to include the header file and then space less than greater than sign, and inside that we have to mention the header file. So the header file is IO stream. So this is a header file which contains predefined functions for input output operation, that is cin and cout. So in order to take input from user we use cin, and in order to print a particular statement we use cout. After that we have to mention using namespace standard. So the meaning of this statement is it says that we are using all the things which we are using the standard things, and in general we have variables and function. We cannot have variable and function with the same name. So in order to avoid that conflict we use the statement namespace, and std means standard. So generally, the meaning of this statement is we are using all the standard things in this program. We are using all standard things in this program. After that, the main function of return type int return 0. At the end, it will return a value 0, or in other words, we can also say that the program will execute successfully. So we have to print the statement hello world. So for that we have to use cout, and inside the double inverted we have to mention the statement which we have to print, and semicolon to end the statement. So let's see. So therefore, hence we have successfully executed our first program in C++, and we have printed the statement hello world. So this was all about in today's video, and in the next video we'll see the addition of two numbers using C++. Till then, thanks for watching.